Today I'm giving you 5 things you may have to do when the fecal matter hits the oscillation unit. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook where you can eat better, spend less. We have our new hardcover with gorgeous pictures to help you eat better, spend less, and save on your grocery bill today. Visit us at livingonadime.com to get your copy. Hello guys! So today I'm talking about 5 things you need to do and be ready to do when things get really tough, you don't have enough money to pay the bills, who knows what's going to happen, you get sick, whatever. These are some things that will help you get through and you can save money on. 1. Start using dishwater and or just soap and water for wiping your counters. I am flabbergasted. I did not even know people did this because I've never done this, but I have never, ever used a countertop cleaner. I guess this is like common practice. I didn't know that. I don't use a countertop cleaner. What do I use after I'm done washing the dishes? I just take some dish soap and water and I just wipe down the counters. If I have something sticky or grimy, I will squeeze a little bit of water on there and let it soak if I need to keep wiping some stuff. If I'm already done wiping, I will just put the wash rag on there and let the wash rag sit and soak for 5 or 10 minutes, and then I'll wipe it up after I'm finished putting everything up. My mom, this is my mom's tip. She's done it for years and years and years. You don't need a cleaner for the counter. Disinfecting wipes. Okay, this is basically the same as number 1, but guys, what is with people and disinfecting wipes? I really don't get it. I really don't. Don't use disinfecting wipes. That's a huge waste of money. Just use some soap and water. If you need to disinfect something, just use a little bit of Pine Sol or bleach, whatever you want to use, depending on the situation. Rubbing alcohol is great, but you don't need disinfecting wipes. Just use a wash rag and soap. That will get 95% of the stuff clean that you need cleaned. Start doing things like using smaller amounts of shampoo. You don't have to wash and rinse twice. Sorry, I know a lot of people are going to be upset about that, but you really don't need to wash your hair twice unless you are just really putting a lot of product in your hair, which you may be. You may have to stop using so much product and find a hairstyle that doesn't use expensive things like a lot of hair gel, hair mousse, fancy shampoos, that kind of thing. Stop shampooing twice to get started, and that will save 50% on just your shampoo bill alone. The next thing is you may have to start washing your hair once or twice a week. Yeah, I only wash my hair about every 5 or 6 days. I don't do it that often, so it's normal for me. A lot of people feel you have to wash your hair every day, and I'm sorry, you do not have to wash your hair every day. Even if it's super greasy, your hair will even itself out so that you can wash it every 5-6 days, once a week or twice a week. But you may have to start cutting back on washing your hair. On that same kind of note, you may have to stop taking long showers. Just to prove it, one time, because I got in an argument with a person, and they said, you can't get out of the shower in less than 10 to 15 minutes. I'm like, yes, you can. I washed my hair, shaved my pits, shaved my legs, washed down my entire body, washed and conditioned my hair, and I had it all done in 3 minutes, okay? Now, you may have to significantly cut back your showers or not shower at all. It may get to the point where you're not showering at all. I just spent 9 days in the mountains, no running water, no toilet. I didn't have a shower for 9 days. I was clean. I used baby wipes because there wasn't water available. If there's water available, I would just use soap and water and just wipe my body down and rinse my body off. Leave it at that. So you don't need to have a shower every day. And last but not least, you're going to have to start using the food you have and start eating leftovers. There are people who are like, I won't eat leftovers. Leftovers are gross. I won't eat leftovers. They're gross. Well, you know what? You're going to have to get over it. You're going to have to eat those leftovers. Don't call them leftovers. You're just pre-cooking for the next meal. But don't be a food snob. Use those leftovers because you are going to have to start saving money. And these are some of the things that you have to do if you want to start saving money, getting out of debt. And you're really going to have to do it if things go crazy and the fecal matter hits the oscillation unit. Please visit us at livingoutadime.com for more tips and tricks on how to save money and eat better. And we will see you guys next time.